All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the scariest tool that you need. Pucker factor 12 when you're using it, but it is invaluable when you need it and when it works. Disclaimer, if you're up in the Rust Belt, you probably don't want this tool. What I'm talking about is wobble Torx, made by Vim, and there's actually an Audi that this is a required tool from what I'm told. I used it on an Audi and it came in really handy, but it is a pucker factor of 12 because we all know how Torx tend to strip. I even torqued a new screw, torque to yield, so, and aluminum, so you have to replace it, to like 4 Newton meters and 90 degrees with wobble Torx. Oil cooler A6 or whatever the heck it is, V6, doing the engine mounts. Taking the oil cooler out just sucks, but invaluable for that kind of situation where you don't have good access to certain Torx screws. Now I've got the long wobble Torx, and I've got the bit set. Both of these are from Vim. The ball Torx bit sockets are VIS 108. I'll try to put a link in the pinned comment. The long Torx set is BTXL 400 T10 to T40. Obviously, Volkswagen, you need T30, but it was surprising how well they worked and yet terrifying using them, because I've actually had to remove stripped out screws from that oil cooler. Not that one, but a different one. Thanks, Christian. And involved rather ugly, it sucked. So they are, I knew what I was getting into trying them, but they are invaluable when you can't go directly into a Torx screw or bolt. Again, if you're up north, probably not even gonna try. I mean, you're probably gonna do some other method because I can't see up north those working. Even, on aluminum bolts, they'll probably work, but on, well, maybe not because they're probably seized. Something to think about if you deal with weird Torx bits in weird places. They are invaluable. I can actually see them really useful in under dash stuff where there's a lot of Torx bits as well. Obviously even better because they're low Torx. It will be when you're doing something to an engine, pucker factor 12. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.